The Paradise Courts housing scheme in Arnett Gardens received 10 new solar power lights to provide better lighting throughout the scheme at nights. Member of Parliament for St Andrews South Mark Golding says the residents have been disgruntled from the very beginning when the housing scheme was being developed.
So today we are handing out 10 solar powered external lights. They can be used as street lights or to light up public spaces at Paradise Court here in Arnett Gardens. And the residents who bought into the scheme when it was built by the National Housing Trust were unhappy about the internal roads that run through the scheme not having any real street lighting.
Golding notes efforts were made to contact the Jamaica Public Service, JPS, to have some street lights erected, but were unsuccessful.
They asked me to try and do something about this, and although we have written to and gone through the parish council to try and get JPS to put in lights, that has not happened. So I found a source of solar lighting which was reasonably priced, and so we bought 10 units and donated them to the Paradise Court scheme.
He says one of the 10 solar power lights have been set up, while the others will be put up subsequently at strategic locations within the housing scheme. He's hopeful the new lights will be useful to the residents.
I'm hoping that it will enhance the well-being and lifestyle of the residents of Paradise Court, giving them a better sense of security, especially at night. You know, people sometimes come home from work late or they go to work early when it's still dark. And it will just enable the people, women in particular and children, but everybody who lives there, to feel a bit safer.
Javine McLean, CVM Live.